Good morning, dear student. Now, I am going to start a new prose because in the last class we have discussed about daffodils and how daffodil creates a significant role in the poet's mind. Right now, we are going to start a new prose, and the prose is about my greatest Olympic prize, and it is a autobiography by Jesse Owens. Sometimes we are getting the title that is my greatest Olympic prize. When we are getting from the title, it is my greatest Olympic prize. When I want to know that, sometimes every individuals have a dream, and the dream is, sometimes someone said I want to be a sports person, someone said I want to be a chartered accountant, someone said I want to be a doctor, and someone said I want to be an engineer. So student, you just remind, when we are going some sort of platform and to getting knowledge, to getting educate, sometimes we have to labor hard. It is here. The title here, my greatest Olympic prize. The writer, the sportsman, he has given his writing force that if you want to be a good one in your field, it is not that you have to go in a simplification manner. Sometimes you have to labor hard for this. How you will be labor hard? And sometimes if you are labor hard, you should need some techniques to improvement. Here the writer is Jesse Owens, how he qualify and how he wins in the Olympic medal, Olympic prize he get. He has discussed tit and bit of this prize and how someone gets successful in his life. Sometimes we said, with the helping of or the guidance of the seniors or the guidance of the experts, that makes us fine tune our techniques to improve. Here, who are the prize winners here? How or why Jesse Owens, the poet, writer, discussed, and why he has given a best to his writings in this writings, that is greatest Olympic prize. Now you can see by Jesse Owens, it is the greatest Olympic prize by Jesse Owens. I am right now introducing about the author because author is a sportsman. Though we know the title of this chapter is my greatest Olympic prize. Definitely we have a different thought in our mind. It is all about sports, because when we take example of the word Olympic is all about sports. Sometimes in this event, what type of event is this, and how the writer is keenly defined the prose. Just you see, introducing the author, James Cleveland Jesse Owens. Here the full names of Jesse Owens is from 1913 to 1980s, was an American track and field athlete who specialized in sprint and long jump. Though we know that Jesse Owens is a man who wrote this prose, is a sports person, and in his sports field, in which sports field he was competent with, he was in track and field jump. So he was a good athlete from America who specialized in sprint and long jump. He participated in the 1936 Summer Olympic in Berlin, Germany. This is one of the milestone of his career, that how he has forcefully win this type of competition, and what is the zeal that the writer's mind in at that time when in Berlin it was in 1936 Summer Olympic. The place is Berlin and it is from Germany, where he achieved international fame by winning 4 gold medal. It is one of the major event of his lifetime, because at a time he get 4 gold medals. He winning 4 gold medals in each in 100 meters, 200 meters long jump, and as a member of 4 into 100-meter relay race. And he was such a beautiful athlete. He get medal prizes, Olympic medal in a relay race, running in 100 and 200, and also long jump. So one thing we can say, as a sportsman, every sportsman should know some improvement by some techniques from experts and some seniors. So here he has, this is all about the author, how the author is succeeded in his lifetime. And here he has directly mentioned to particularly in Berlin, that is in 1936, in Germany. Right now we go through the topic, it is about the greatest Olympic prize, because he has named to this chapter the greatest, because it is one of the milestone of his life. It was one of the memorable Olympic game in his life. So the Olympic Games in the world's foremost sports competition featuring summer and winter sports, in which athletes from all over the world participate in a variety of competitions. In this essay, Jesse Owens shares his experience of 1936 Summer Olympic held in Berlin, when patriotic feelings were running high in Germany. However, Owens didn't bother, as he trusted in his abilities. He tells his stunning story about forging a lasting friendship with Germany, putting difference aside for the love of the games. Because one thing we can say, participating in a game, loving that game, love your competitor, that is one of the biggest mark here the writer has put forth. Just to see right from the first line, it is the Olympic Games in the world's foremost sports competition featuring summer and winter sports. Here Olympic, when we take a look of Olympic game, it gives a new era, new platform for the competitors, good competitors all over the globe. So Olympic is one of the good international events that we can consider. So it helps in Berlin, and the featuring of here in summer and winter sports, in which athletes from all over the world participating in varieties of events in this type of competition, because we know that Olympic is a worldwide event where athlete can participate from different corner of the world. But here in case of Jesse Owens is from America and is American. He want to participate in Berlin, where Germany, in this type of Olympic platform. So Jesse Owens shares his experience in 1936 Summer Olympic held in Berlin, when patriotic feelings were running high in Germany. One thing that here Jesse Owens has added, it is here, what is the patriotic feelings? That sometimes patriotic feelings, patriotic in the sense love towards his own countries. That I'm Indian, I love definitely to India most, because I'm from India and I live in India. So India is everything for me. So patriotic in feelings of different country people, I mean from foreigners, are something different. Here as an American, Jesse Owens, what he is feeling in Germany, it is high type of feeling running with different country, because Jesse Owens from the other countries, I mean a foreigner. However, Owens didn't bother. Why he didn't bother? Because he has his depth over his sports. He know sports is everything, competitor is everything, and he loved the sports because he is a good athlete. So right now we can get from Jessevians that we lob the game so that everything will be sorted out smoothly. So he is not bothered about the patriotic feelings what he was there at Germany. Wentz didn't bother as he trusted in his abilities. Yes, this is very important. You should get you should be closer to your competitor. You have some ability to do or show off. Because if you work out properly, you can work everything. That here, ability is one thing that will make you success because you are more confident. Here the writer, Jessevians, is more confident for his ability because he tried hard for this. It tells his stunning story. What was the stunning story? Why he was fell in love with a sportsman. And again we know that from that sportsman what he was getting and what was the real story that he was getting in Germany. And it is about a stunning story about forging at least friendship with Germany. Forging, move ahead. I mean moving ahead, getting a good friend. Here, a lasting friendship with Germany. How as an American, as a foreigner, will be very close to a German. And here, what was the incident that makes the German person and Jessevians from America will be more close to each other? Putting difference aside for the love of games, because loving game is very important, because as a sportsman you should love your game, because game is everything. I mean game is first priority. Next, love your sports competitor who is a competitor to you, because if you guide him properly or you will get guidance from him, will be more benefited in a particular event. So student, so in your field also, when you are getting educated, when you are getting knowledge, you are getting educated, you should know that you should get benefited from your teachers, from your elders, and we too also get some suggestions from you. So read the following unit of the text and note how Jessevians reacted to the performance of his rival. I know what is the, because it is very difficult that to get your most competitor is a successful person. It is very difficult, and sometimes some competitor are failure to look at only, not by leveling. By observing only they said that yes, I cannot do, because they take more priority to their competitor. See, yes, you have to take more priority to your competitor, because in love and in respect, because you respect him as a good player and you guide him or you get guidance from him. This is one of the sportsman spirit that you will get. So the chapter or the text one, it speaks, it was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held in Germany, Berlin. Because Adolf Hitler childishly stated that his performance were members of a master race. Nationalistic feeling were at an all-time high. See, it was the summer. It was the summer of 1936. It was a summer season of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held at Germany, Berlin. Because sometimes we know that the Hitlers were more powerful these days, and Adolf Hitler childishly, what is childishly? Just kidding he was behaving, insisted that his performance were members of a master race. Because when he get the player Jessevian from other countries and different kinds of good players from other countries, he also think that in Germany also good players are there, and in Germany, though they are arranging such beautiful Olympic Games in Germany, they hold the medals in Germany only, because it was the feeling. And here, yes, and though the Olympic game is situated at Berlin, Germany, they know that we will get more and more prize, because our country is the host, our country is preparing for this Olympic Games, and we are mostly the winners. Because Adolf Hitler childishly stated that his performance were members of a master race. Nationalistic feelings were high. I mean, national feeling. Yes, we are Germany's. We are arranging such type of Olympic games. So we are the winners only. No one outsider will get benefited from it. No one outsiders will get prize, get medals. So yes, the feelings were at all time high. I mean all time high. The feelings are all time high. They are thinking, yes, we are Germany's. We are everything. We will win lot and lot of medals from this Olympic Games. I wasn't too worried about all this. Here the writer has given Jesse Owens. I wasn't too worried because I have prepared for it. I have the ability, I can show. I have the courage to fight any athletes in the ground. So I have the ability, I have the courage, I have working for it. So that he said, I am not bothered about this. I wasn't too worried because I am not a worried person. Because I am laborious, I work out for this. I wasn't too worried about all this. I would trained, sweated and disciplined myself for 6 years. This is very important. Three words that Jesse Owens has added. Just you see, trained. I would trained. I have been trained for 6 years. It's not a joke, right? Working for 6 years, sweated. My hard labor is within. So he said, I have labored hard and I have sweated for this, and discipline. This is one of the major things that you will get in every field. If you are laborious, that is a good point. If you are working it for hours and hours, that is another good point. But if you are not disciplined, it is worthless. So in every ground, in every field, in all respects, whatever the profession it is, you should be disciplined, right? Discipline is the key to every success. So here, discipline myself for 6 years. He said, I have labored hard for 6 years, I have disciplined me for 6 years, and I have sweated it. I mean, I am working hard for it for 6 years. With the games in his mind, because my aim to get gold medals. This is my aim. And taking the games into mind, I have did all this. So he said, yes, I have working hard for this. I couldn't, while I was going over on the boat, because from American to Germany, he was traveled by boat. So he said, while I was going over on the boat, when I am traveling from Germany, from America to Germany, all I could think about what was taking home 1 or 2 of these gold medals. My plan, because my labor, my workout for the last 6 years, that gave me success. So when I am traveling from America to Germany to participate in Olympic Games, just I am thinking about, yes, I will get 2 or 3 gold medals definitely. I had my eyes especially on the long jump, because I will definitely go and win in the long jump. This is my target, yes. Including with the long jump, I will get 2 or 3 gold medals. So show that I will be more happy and I will compensate with all my labors for the 6 years. Yes, a year before, as a university student, I would set the world record of 26 feet 8 1/4 inches. So here this is what, because why he has more confident to get gold medals. One thing, this is what, if you are confident, definitely you will success. So it is not that it is, if you think you will success, if you work out, if you plan, you will success. Yes, think, plan and you work out, because he has added, yes, I have worked out for this. I worked out for 6 years, and in the last year, this is one of the milestone for me, that I have labored hard for this, and I got a good record of 26 feet 8 and 1/4 inches in the university sports, and this was the world record that I get as a university student. As a university student, I would set a world record. This is very unique record for me. So if I am getting this type of unique record here in the Berlin also, I mean in Germany, in Olympic prize, definitely I will get gold medals in long jump as well as in different types of events, sports event. So everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic event hands down. So here, so as a university student, I touched my world record, and people of the globe, they know me, who is Jesse Owens and what is the calibrity in Jesse Owens have. Yes, people definitely expect me to score good record and to get numbers of medals in this Berlin Olympic Games. So my expectation is similar to the people who they expect. So every people they have kind expected, yes, to me win that Olympic event hands down. It is hands down easily, without any thinking, because I have labored for it. Easily I will get gold medals, hands down. I will do this work, hands down I will finish it within hours. So hands down is a word, is a phrasal verb that we can get easily. The meaning of the word is easily, without any large effort. I mean, because you are planning for that, you are work out for this, you are labored hard for this, without any much more work. Right now I am getting it easily. If you are labor hard, you will pass in the exam with hands down, right? So I was in for a surprise. So one thing, what was the surprising thing that Jesse Owens get? Though he was laborious, he was worked out for 6 years, and what is that make Jesse Owens more surprised? Here, when the time came for the long jump trials, so why he was surprised? He said, when I am surprising, because when it is running with long jump trials, what is in the trial session? Jesse Owens gets surprised. Just you see, I was startled to see, surprised. I was surprised to see. I was extremely surprised, stunned to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on the practice lips. So he said, it is very surprising thing for someone who recorded in the, who was world record as a student in the university running with 26 and more inches. But here in the trial session, when he saw a tall man who hit the pit with 26 feet, so he was stunned. Someone is there in the world who is also tossed 26. So that's why he was surprised. A tall boy hitting the pit almost 26 feet on his practice. This is practice. See, on a practice lip, if someone is hit 26, so it is easy, or we can say it without any effort. He can jump more than 26 with hands down. You can clear it with hands down. He turned out to be a German named Luslang. So it is from German. It is a man from Germany. So he said he was completely stunned and think that I was labor hard for this, I am laborious for this, and right now I am getting someone who is in the practice lib jump high more than 26. So here it is a very surprising situation for Jesse Owens, and the man who has, as a German tall person who is running more than 26 is none other than Luslang. I was told that Hitler had kept him under wrap. Just he said, yes, Hitler said, make him under wrap. I mean, secretly he is there in Germany under Adolf Hitler, because when they want to go for this type of platform, as in Olympic Games, Adolf Hitler make Worf, like him, make secretly to show him in the game. So here it is, Hitler had kept him under wrap. Secretly he make him, and he will just placed him in the game. Yes, evidently hoping he would win the jump. And Hitler hope definitely Luz Long will win the race, and in long jump Luz Long will be the winner. So he make under wrap. I suppose that if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. After all, I am a Negro, a little hot under the collar about Hitler's way. I determined to go out there and really show Der Fuhrer and his master race who was superior and who was not. Just you see, I supposed that if Luz Long, if he said if Luz Long will win, because Jesse Owens saw the practice jump how he jumped, so I suppose that if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazi Aryan superiority theory. After all, I am a Negro, a little hot under the collar. He said, though I am a Negro sometimes, right now it is a biased word, Negro. Sometimes we call it is African American. American people, black American are called Negroes. So Negroes are not keeping importance these days. So I suppose if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. It is a community, Nazis' Aryan superiority community, that has in the high level. So they are not keeping importance to the American, black American, I mean Negroes. A little hot. It is a little hot under the collar. I mean inside it is very hot about Hitler's way, because how the Hitlers behaves to the world, and they kept Luz Long into secret, and they will place Luz Long at the proper time. This is one of the biggest part that Germany is going to show Luz Long. So I did mind go out there and really show Der Fuhrer and his master. So he said he is committed. Luz Long will be winner, because the Germany thought Luz Long will be the winner, but Jesse Owens thought I will be the winner, because I have labored hard for this, I work out for this, I have planned it, and I have my world record. So I expect I will definitely win with good records. I will show my determination. I determined to go out there and really show Der Fuhrer and his master. Who is the Der Fuhrer? I mean people of Germany, and the master Hitler. That race who was superior and who was not. Who is the winner and who is the loser? I will show to Hitler, because I will be the winner definitely, because I have tried hard and labored hard for this. So this is all about the first text. I mean the unit 1. Right now we are going to unit 2. In the unit 1, what we are getting is, who is Jesse Owens, why he is keeping the games in his mind, he is going to play or participate in Olympic event at Germany, Berlin. He is a man from America, is a Negro, I mean black American. He was traveled from America to Germany to participate in Olympic Games, because he definitely said that yes, I will be the winner, because my world record as a student of university is 26 feet and more. So I will be expect myself to win, and the people of the world also expect the same. But the secret is here, because why he was surprised in the first half. He observed that Luzlong, a man from Germany, is kept secretly by Hitler, and he will be making him secret, because Germany's, they thought that Luzlong will be the winner, but it is not that easy. Who will be the winner? But Luzlong is also trying, and in the first trial, when Jesse Owens saw him in the track, yes, Luzlong also in the first practice lap, he jumped up more than 26. It is a stunning or surprise situation for Luzlong, for Jesse Owens, because he thought he may be the winner, but he made him confident that yes, I evidently say yes, I will be the winner, because I have tried hard, and at least I will show at the end that who will be the winner and who will be the loser. People think I am a Negro, but I know that I am laborious, I am disciplined, I am worked hard. So this is all about the first unit. Right now we will switch over to the second unit.